ચલો છોકરાઓ, આજે આપણે ABCD ભણીશું. A for ant, B for bus, C for cake, D for duck, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for house, I for India, J for jam, K for kite, L for lake, M for mango, N for nose, O for orange, P for pig, Q for queen, R for rainbow, S for star, T for table, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for box, Y for yak, Z for zero,